Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to this channel, and this quick tutorial is I am going to show you on how to add your Canva design to your Shopify store. So it is very perfect for the banners, product images, or homepage graphics. So the first thing you need to do here is to open Canva and of course create your own design so you can make a banner, logo, or product photo. So in this video, we are going to make a logo. So just make sure guys it's the right size for your Shopify section. So here guys, for example, that is this one. So once you're done, you just need to click share at the top right. Then of course choose download. So select your preferred file type. So usually it is PNG or JPG for images, and then click download. So right now we are on the Shopify. So now go to your Shopify dashboard. So you can click on online store and then themes, or go to customize. So here guys, you'll be able to choose the section where you want to add your Canva design. For example, a banner or image block. Then click select image and upload your Canva file. And then after uploading guys, preview your store to make sure it looks good. And then click save. And that's it guys. Your Canva design is now live on your Shopify store. So guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and check out my other Shopify tutorial.